Ever wanted to live at the end of the road in total privacy? Well, now is your chance. Driveway at the very end of the road to this big beautiful secluded home on 5+ acres bordered by forest on 2 sides. Pull into the garage and park the car as you enter into the laundry room on the main level with new hardwood flooring. Also on the main level is the main bedroom west/an updated bathroom. Through the living room open to the kitchen west/new countertops. Dining room is just around the corner and a den/office off the main entrance. From the main level head upstairs to a landing and 2 bedrooms. Wander downstairs to a large basement west/full bath, being constructed. The sliders in the basement open to a full-size tennis court out back.